Mayora for giving the time para sa ribbon cutting ng ating waiting shed na magiging main beneficiary ay ang Imelda, tama? Imelda Senior High School. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, Pastor. At mga kuya, this is another milestone not only of our region but most of all ng inyong club. Para naman natin ang ating kuya Labrador. It's through the initiative ng bawat isa. So hindi lang si Kuya Labrador ang bida, kundi ang bawat membro ng Manila Sandigan Spartan Eagles Club. Thank you very much in behalf of our region, in behalf of the national leadership of our organization led by Kuya Ronald F. De Los Santos, our national president. This is one of the best practices na pwede nating iakyat sa national level. Mga kuya, hihingi ako sa inyo ng mga kopya natin neto, pictures, yung plano, and everything para may submit natin sa ating national leadership at ma-appreciate naman ng ating organisasyon, pangkabuuan, globally. Again hindi na tayo local na lang ngayon Our organization is now global para makita nila kung ano ang ginagawa ng Manila Sandigan Spartan Eagles Club. In behalf also of Kuya Gov Emeritus Don Rontas, Kuya Gov Jeffrey Pecson, magpasensyahan nyo na hindi sila nakasama. Ang alam naman natin ang weather condition, kaya medyo late tayo, medyo baha na dun sa area namin kanina. But still, as an eagle, alam nyo naman ang mga agila. Amongst all the birds, kapag may bagyo, ang agila lang ang ibon na hindi nagtatago, hindi sumisilo. Bagkos, na-challenge siya sa bagyo. Kung ang bagyong ito, katulad ngayon, it's just made up of clouds, right? Ang bagyo ay clouds lang naman yan, ulap. If my fist is the clouds of storm, ang agila, hindi yan tatawid ka agad dyan, dito lang siya sa precipice. Dito sa pinakamalapit. Anong ginagawa niya dyan? Chill. And yun ang ginawa ng Manila Sandigan Spartan Eagles Club. May bagyo man ngayon. Pero kitang-kita sa inyong mga mata, sa inyong mga ngiti, ang magiging chill, ang pagtatrabaho pa rin para sa ating guiding principle of service through strong brotherhood. Chill lang siya. Bakit? Nag-iipon pa na siya ng lakas. Galing sa bagyo. The wind, the atmospheric pressure, parang agila kapag may lakas na, lilipad na siya above the clouds of storm. Mga kuya and ate, that principle, that characteristic of an eagle is a very, very good characteristic na apply din natin sa sarili nating buhay. Alam ko naman, amidst all our problems, personal storms, personal battle in life, walang exempted dyan. Lahat tayo kasama dyan, be like an eagle. Kung may dumaan man na bagyo, chill lang tayo, kayod, trabaho. Trabaho para sa agila, trabaho para sa pamilya, trabaho para sa ikabubuti ng bawat isa, dahil lilipad pa rin tayo above the clouds of storm. Let us continue the legacy of your club. Let us continue the legacy of our region. And this is again one of our milestones, mga kuya natin. From the bottom of our heart, we are really very proud and appreciative for what you did. Today, alam ko ilang buwan ninyo itong pinaghandaan with all the cost in financial resources, time, effort, and even though hindi man natin ang masuklian dito sa physical realm, but I do believe the divine power will do the job. Ang pagbibigay sa atin ulit ng blessing. This is Kuya Borge, your Regional Governor of NCR 16 and Palakayan Agila National Commissioner. Again, it's my pride and honor, mga kuya and ate. Maraming salamat po sa isang makasaysayan na araw na ito. Thank you very much. Direk Patria, mabuhay ang Agila. Thank you, and let's enjoy our ribbon cutting and celebration. Thank you, Gago.
Next part is the giving of certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Eagle Lenon Borge Borja, Regional Governor for the year of 2025-26, NCR 16 Santigan League. In grateful recognition in your invaluable support and participation during the ribbon cutting ceremony of the first waiting shed project of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Manila Sandigan Spartan Eagles Club. Your presence and contributions have greatly advanced the spirit of service, brotherhood, and community development. Given this 19th day of July 2025 at Ineta Integrated Senior High School, Asa-Asa Street, Barangay Longs, Manabag City, signed by Eagle Pancho Labrador Jr., President of Manila Sandigan Spartan Eagles Club. Next part po is giving donation. Primeda Senior High School. Giving 2 units of solar light. Primeda Senior High School.
Yan o, umiilaw. Bigyan ng liwanag ang love light. Liwanag ang love light. Bigyan ng liwanag ang love light. Liwanag o. Matingdikit pa ko yan. No sir. No sir.
Okay, the last part of our program is the photo opportunity. Lahat po tayo, punta po tayo sa mga. Pwede po tayong tumugtong dun sa likod.
Kuya, panghangin. Ate. Sige po, doon na po kayo. Lalagyan ko. Picture ko. Ay, ano lang natin sa mga like. Yan lang. Tapos ko pa lang makapicture kayo. Okay lang, okay lang. Picture na lang ako. Keyboard, cellphone mo nga. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Bangkos naman, bangkos. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Jump shot. Tigil daw. Gusto pumunta dito, papasin mo lang.
Kailangan namin magkakabit. Pero kung tingin ko kaya nila. Basta pagka kailangan nila magkakabit sa kailangan. Tulungan namin.
God bless po sa inyo.
Gusto mo? Lord. Naghang yung cellphone ko. Ito, naghang ayaw mag-picture. May sound. End live ko na. End live ko na.